What is up, you guys? So in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how to make a really healthy vegetarian meal. So we're going to be using the Quorn chicken cutlets. They are meatless, soy and gluten free. These are the nutrition facts. It is 1 cutlet per serving, 80 calories, 2.5 grams of fat. The sodium to me is kind of high, so I do not add any extra seasoning, but if you do not care about that, go ahead and add your own special touch. It has a good source of protein, as you can see, and the carbs are really low. It's only 2% your daily value carbohydrates. The next thing I'm going to be making are some sweet potatoes, and I found these at the grocery store. They are very, very convenient, especially if you're trying to make something really easy. As you can see, it only takes about 8 minutes in the microwave, and it's steamed in this bag. They're already washed and they're petite. These are the nutrition facts on them. This is the only side that honestly has the highest amount of carbohydrates. It is 11% your daily value, but it says 4 servings per bag, but it gave me 5 potatoes. So you see 4, and there's also 1 over here in the corner. So yeah. And then we're going to be trying something new, and it is this right here. It is going to be the all-natural roasted garlic cauliflower. It is gluten-free, non-GMO, excellent source of vitamin C, and it only takes 4 minutes to steam in the microwave. So yeah, I'm going to take this off because I do have the oven preheating right now. I mean the stove, skillet, whatever. So this is my first time actually trying to cook cauliflower. Usually when I buy cauliflower, I just simply wash it, chop it, eat it raw as a snack. So if you're someone looking to try to cook cauliflower for the first time and you're like kind of if you know how to properly make it, then just buy this. And it was on sale for this like $2.50 at the grocery store. So I thought that was a really good price. And these are the nutrition facts. For this one, to me, the only thing that really stood out is just the calories. I think it's a decent amount of calories. It is 3 servings per container. The fat to me is kind of high, but obviously that's from the seasoning and stuff like that, and olive oil. The sodium kind of high. Carbohydrates are decent. Sugars decent. Protein okay. These are the ingredients: obviously cauliflower, extra virgin olive oil, roasted garlic, and parsley and sea salt. And yeah, so since the chicken cutlets contain 4 in the box, I'm going to be making this 4 servings instead of just 3 like it says. And also I do this to like any veggie. I try to stretch it out as much as possible so that to me it could be healthier for me and I won't be getting in that much food. Well, too much food rather. Saying that much food sounds horrible. And then I'll start with the potatoes. Since it's 5 potatoes in this bag, I'm just going to use an extra potato and have it with a spinach salad. So yeah, you don't have to have 2 potatoes with your veggie chicken and your cauliflower. You can just simply do something else with it. So I have potatoes, a potato and a salad. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this started. So I'm going to use just a little bit of olive oil, and according to the directions, you can simply you don't need a lot. If you need more, obviously you can add a little bit more. But according to the package, you can cook this on the stovetop, you can grill it, or you can microwave it. I've been buying this stuff for I think about a year or going on a year. And it's my first time actually reading the side part where it says you can microwave. I just honestly paid attention to like the stovetop part and the grill part, but I never paid attention to the microwave part. So yeah, you can microwave it, you guys. You can grill it. But I always do mine on a stovetop. It says use a sauce, but I'm not a sauce person like that. So I use a little bit of olive oil cooking. It came out perfect. So yeah, and this is for 10 to 12 minutes. You can cover it. I never cover mine. So yeah, make up your own rules. You don't always have to follow instructions. Surprising, huh? So yeah, we're just going to open that up. And this is how they look. So yeah, we're just going to put them in there. olive oil now, just a little bit. I feel like whenever you put any kind of product in a skillet, move it around. You know? So yeah, we're going to let those cook up. And I want to get the potatoes started since I have to do both that and the cauliflower. So I'm going to go ahead and get this started. Put it in the microwave for 8 minutes. But it says on the back 8 to 9 minutes. So I'm just going to do 9 minutes. Hold them as tender as possible. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'll let you guys know what this looks like when I come back. Okay, so as you guys can see, I just started flipping them over and they're nice golden brown on this side. The juices are looking yummy. I'll flip that one over. Should have used the fork. And I already brushed a little bit of olive oil on the other side, as you can see. So yeah. I'm gonna stop these about 7 minutes. That's not the right time, so I didn't like set my hot board on my stove. So yeah, we're gonna just let. All right, you guys. So this is the completed meal, and this is how everything looks. Looks so delicious. And like I said, I made 4 servings. There's actually lots of cauliflower. And yeah, you guys, that is how it looks. Very scrumptious. I actually tasted one piece of the cauliflower and I personally would not buy it again. I'm just so used to eating raw cauliflower all the time. You can see the potatoes. So I guess I want to show you guys just how tender these potatoes actually are. It is retarded plastic fork. But it's okay. But as you guys can see, it breaks apart very easily. So you can dock your potato up however you please. You add salt, pepper, brown sugar, whatever you like to do. Once again, you guys, this is the veggie chicken, roasted garlic, cauliflower, steamed sweet potatoes. And it is actually very, very healthy. And each meal is only 15% of your daily value carbs. 11% of it coming from this thing right here, these potatoes. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you'd like to see more quick and easy meal prep videos, just let me know. They're actually very, very affordable. So yeah, you can honestly create this whole entire thing for $10 or less. I don't think it's even $10 because I said the cauliflower was $2.50. The veggie chicken on sale, I always buy when it's $2.99 on sale. Then I also had coupons, but like the regular price is like a little over $4. And then the sweet potatoes, I forgot how much I paid for those. I think there's about $2.99. So yeah, if you guys want to see more affordable meal prep videos, just let me know. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will post more cooking videos next time. Bye.